One bright sunny morning, my camera and I waited for a beautiful bird. A tiny beetle there caught my eye and stole the scene. She was chasing her Everest. Let's call her Cliff. Determined to conquer the log summit, Cliff started her great climb from the rusty, wet base camp. Watching Cliff climb the vertical leg was jaw dropping. Cliff made it look like a simple stroll. Now that's a cakewalk for sure. Clever Cliff took tiny, careful steps to rest after her big climb. The ropes hung tight, ready for the final stretch to the summit. Cliff studied them closely. She had done her homework. Smart little beetle. She picked the perfect rope. The path ahead was dangerous, but Cliff was ready for it. The climb was tough and the struggle was real, but Cliff refused to give up. Not today. She was unstoppable. Full of confidence, she pushed forward to the top. Yes, she conquered the summit, and there I was, still waiting for the birds.